Good morning, everybody. It's Gary with Barnes Life Georgia Edition, and today I'm going to be trenching for a water line. So basically, I've been working on this area. It was just an incline. When we first moved here, there were trees, so I had the trees removed. We had stumps ground, and our water well is underneath that tarp. I've got it covered because I dug down to the supply water line, which is coming this way. I'm going to trench, not right up to it, but within proximity where I can hand dig the rest. Anyway, so I think I've come to the conclusion. If I trench straight up here and put it right here, I have a catch basin right here, and it drains. In my other video you can see what I did, and it drains down to where that white pipe is, and I'm going to make that look better. And it just kind of drains down the hill, the backyard there. But if I put the frost-free spigot here, it would conveniently have a place for the water to go and get out of this area. Then I can just do a straight trench to that corner of the barn, and I can have my frost-free spigot here and one on the corner of the barn down there in case I need water down there. And we can, as far as our garden, and this is why we wanted the water for our raised garden beds. We definitely probably going to have to get some kind of temporary fence around that area because of deer. Anyway, we're going to add probably 3 more of those. And what I was thinking is if we put the frost-free spigot here, we could always just run a garden hose to there. Because if we put it there, it's going to be the same deal to there with a garden hose. The only thing is if we put it here, we won't have to drive across, because we would be having to go from the well to the corner of the shed and back to this. So I'd have to potentially drive over 2 sections of pipe. So if I do it this way, I'll have to drive over that piece, and I won't have to drive over this all the way down to there until people park right here by the fire pit back there. But I can run a piece of PVC run the PEX through PVC, and that'll protect it right there. Okay, I got most of it trenched up. This is just loose dirt that fell back in the hole in the trench. And I did that because the frost-free spigot's gonna go right there, and it's gonna save me some shovel work. But this is what I got so far. I haven't even measured it. It's a long way. I got 200 feet of fat tubing, and I hope that's enough. Okay, so this is my frost-free spigot. Got it from the the big orange store. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up and read the directions. I've never installed one of these. It has directions on the back. So I guess it has everything I need in here. Hopefully. This has been opened, looks like. Hey everybody, it's a new day, it's Friday, and I got all this trenching done yesterday. I still haven't measured it. I think it's somewhere around 200 foot or so. Anyway, I got all my supplies. I had to do some running around yesterday to get the brass fittings for the bottom of this brass fitting here, the L. I just put this fitting on, got it tight, and I'm about to put it in the hole. But before I can do that, I need to put this pipe on here and crimp it down with the tool. And I'll show you. This here's the tool that Home Depot sold us to put these little band clamps on. Not band camp, band clamp. Or I think they call them pinch clamps. Yeah, pinch clamps. And that goes around the white pegs. And just on the end of the white pegs, like so. And then when you put the white pegs on the end of this will be over both, and you pinch it tight. So that's what I'm going to be doing. My idea was, because of this driveway right here, and I'll be driving my truck and my trailer in combination over this frequently. I want to protect the pegs, so I bought some 2-inch PVC Schedule 40 and glued 3 joints together, and I'm going to put it right here across the entrance of this driveway to help protect it. I got 2 joints on the other end of the driveway on that slope to protect that, so I can loop around. I got this PEX threaded through here. Now I just hope that these 3 joints glued together can make that bend in the trench. It has that little bend right there. This is what I got so far. Yeah, that first PEX tubing ran out. I guess that's about 100 feet. That's how long the roll of it was. Got the pecs laid down. Schedule 42-inch surrounding it. We put it through there. And I only did down to here because when we do have get-togethers, people park here, but I don't think we'll be parking cars that weigh that much. So there's enough for 1, 2, 3. You know, if we have any heavy vehicles, I'll tell them to park over there. Hey guys, in this video I was able to get this trench dug and the pecs in the trench, and because of the length of the video, I'm going to make another video where I close it all up, and then another one for the connecting to the well supply line. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and hit the like button. We'll see you on the next one.